Hello and welcome. I'm here to show you about the chatbot called My Vision Board Artist. And this is for you if you want to start this year out right and just show pictures. A vision board is a picture view of your goals, essentially. So here we have My Vision Board Artist. I'm going to click on it. So if you get the link, what I have found is that if you're on your phone, I use an Android. Yes, I do. If you're on your phone, I have to use the browser version and not the app version. I get all tangled up if I use the app version. But if someone posts a URL of a chatbot, then take it to the browser on your phone and the same with on your desktop anyway. So one of the first things I have in this chatbot is, and what is a chatbot? You say it is, so for even before OpenAI, we have these technology agents that aid users. So when you're in online banking, for example, or on your mobile, you'll see Bank of America has one. Can't remember her name, Emma, and Erica, and Wells Fargo has one called Fargo. You know, they help you with your banking needs, and so on. You may go to any shopping site, and there will be something to help you along your way. And that's what these chatbots are to help us make our jobs easier. I have quite a few, but I'm going to show you my vision board artist. What I did to give you all instructions is in a document called read.me. It will give you some instructions, and I'm continuously adding as it gets used and there are any questions. So it'll help you with instructions on how to create your vision boards and guide you. So the goal here is to enter. When you start, you may enter 3 goals, but the chatbot will guide you to take 1 goal at a time. So let's go back here to the main page and go back in. And so in order to start, so I'm going to use myself, and I'm going to think of some examples to use that'll help demonstrate this. So tell me your gender. So I'm going to say, just for purposes of examples, I'm going to say I'm a 30, just because of the examples I want to use, old female, and I'm going to say African American. There. And so it wants to know what my goals are for this year in terms of career, personal development, health, relationships, anything else. Share some details about this goal. What does it look like? What does it feel like? So I'm going to say my goals are, so I'm going to say the first one. And I haven't tried this one, so it's going to be interesting. My first goal, I may need to be more specific. Lose. And I learned this from my daughter. I had her using it, and she put in numbers for the goals. So my goals, number 1 is lose 20 pounds in weights. And if you're in Europe, it'll be different. 1 stone or so, or kilos. And then 2, change my current job. This is for example, just in case my boss is watching. And number 3, what does it say? Relationships, hobbies, hobbies. Learn to salsa. And so I'm pushing it here and see what it says. So let's start with 1, give it full attention. And so I'm going to focus on lose 20 pounds. So it could create an image that symbolizes the journey. We could include elements like active wear, a gym setting. So yeah, let's do start with number 1. a great choice. We'll visualize your journey. Where do you see yourself making the change? Is it at the gym, at the home workout, an outdoor setting like a park or trail? So for me, it is I would be at home. Oh, yeah, no. For this example, I would be in a gym, and so this is where I'm picturing. This is where I, because it's saying, you know, get your setting and so on. So I would be in a gym. I would use the treadmill and stationary bike, because I'm filling in my drawing essentially. Stationary bike, and I would use free weights. I would be in a modern gym. Activity, what kind of so I would be running on the treadmill. And what feeling do you want to capture in this image? I have a feeling of freedom and confidence, because that's, you know, down the road how I'd want to feel. I am happy. Any additional elements? Oh gosh, any quotes? So I am wearing gym clothes, and at the top of the image are the words believe in yourself. And so, but what I'm going to do though is I'm going to describe myself. So I am an African American. There will be a question there for you so you can set it up. Woman of brown complexion, my hair. This is just to make it simple for me, for this example, is in braids. Okay, so this is it. And as we know, it takes time, and also to know that this chatbot is in ChatGPT. It has to work in ChatGPT, the plus version. I like this actually. She looks nothing like me, but I really like this. So that's my first goal. So I'm gonna give it the plus sign. No, but I suggest you do that, but we're not doing that right now. And then I'm gonna download it too. It's very important, because what I found was that with the chatbots, you have to download your image before you exit so that it's saved. I know that you know, for most of us, you know, you can go back because it'll be saved, but I'm not going to take that chance. So I'm just going to save image as gym goal and save. And now we go back. So the second goal was, I'm trying to remember what it was. Change current jobs. I want to move to the second goal. And of course you can stop here if you figured out how to do it, or you can continue this video. But with the second goal, it's your dream job. So what's the nature of your dream job? And actually, I'm gonna say it is just a I want to be a flight attendant. So I want to be I'm just saying, it's just an example to see how far this is going to go. I want to be a Delta Airlines flight attendant. And so the setting is in a busy airport. Now, before I do this, actually, I want to say and see if it will save it. Give me the generation ID for the above picture. And let's see if it remembers. So it has. And you know where people talk about IDs changing, or when you're posting, you'd have posted one, giving you a description, say redo, and the person looks totally different. And so the generation ID is the number given to images when they're created. So what I was going to say is I want to be a flight attendant. The setting is in a busy airport. Everyone is excited to be traveling. I am in a Delta. Oh, so here it is. Here's the thing. So now I say using generation ID equals this number. Just paste it so I don't totally mess it up. Using this, I am, let's see, I'm taking the risk here to create an image that includes me in a Delta Airlines uniform. Let's see what happens. And I did this because when my daughter did this, she had mentioned that she had mentioned her cheer team, and the images that she got were of her cheer team members, representatives of her cheer team, and they were in the cheer team uniform. It was pretty cool. So that's why I'm doing this, to see what if it will give me the Delta Airlines colors even. Oh wow, that is amazing. That is incredible. So here, I'm 35 years old. I wanted to be, and let's see what she looks like here. She doesn't exactly look like it, but we're close enough. So I don't want to, the video's gone long enough, so we can continue with the, I'm going to continue, and then you can choose to drop off if you want to. But the next one was, learn to salsa. Okay, so I want to move on to goal number 3. So, gosh, so where do you envision yourself learning or enjoying salsa? Dance. So it'll create the images. So I see myself outside in an outdoor event, as it says there, event with many other people dancing. I am. Oh, so I'm going to use that generation ID we spoke about, using generation, and you can say generation ID of. Did I do that? Yes. I am wearing a beautiful summer dress. It's the dead of winter. Summer dress and heels, and I am dancing with a partner who is excited and, oh dear, it's like I didn't go to school, right? Excited and happy too. Any elements? No, we'll leave it like that. But as you see, you can make this for yourself as well. And when the chatbot was created, I hasten to add, it was programmed to make sure that every boy and man, regardless of race, was handsome, and every woman or girl was beautiful. Number one, right? So it should have that. So we'll see what it comes up. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. And I give my bot feedback. This is great. Can you make her curvier? And this is where it can break. But I hopefully she'll put some more meat on her bones, and that is it. And again, coupled with this, hopefully, if this was me, I look as close to this as possible. And yeah, I like it. So you can go into Canva. I knew. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. On that, I will end this demonstration of the My Vision Board Artist chatbot. So I will have the link. Enjoy.